Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this crypto wallet platform, which is Zengo. So to get started with quick analysis about Zengo, Zengo is a keyless crypto wallet that uses multi-party computation instead of traditional seed phrase. This means you don't need to write down recovery words. It makes it much easier for beginners to manage their wallet safely. It supports over 70 cryptocurrency, offer a built-in swap and a purchases. Even include a 24/7 customer support, which make it very beginner friendly and secure. However, Zengo is a mobile only and it gives you a less direct control compared to a full non-custodial wallet. While recovery is easy, part of your key is still stored on the secured server, which may not appeal to privacy purists. Also, fiat purchases comes with a relative high fee, so if you are new to crypto or you want strong security without worrying about seed phrase, Zengo is a solid pick for 2025. Just be sure you are okay with the shared key setup and app only access, and that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this cryptocurrency platform, and that's it.